Economic storms hit Revel Collective. Can this hospitality giant weather the crisis? Halifax, market update. The Revel Collective. October 24, 2025, 8:55 and 7 seconds. Source: Sharecast. The hospitality sector is no stranger to challenges, but for Revel Collective, the owner of popular brands like Revolution, Revolucion de Cuba, and Peach Pubs, the current climate feels like a perfect storm. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this a temporary setback or a sign of deeper industry troubles? Let's dive in. Revel Collective, listed on the AIM market, has been grappling with a double whammy: a tough economic environment and soaring costs. These factors have significantly hindered the company's ability to boost performance, according to recent statements. And this is the part most people miss: while cost-cutting measures and margin improvements were implemented, they simply weren't enough to offset the impact of rising national insurance contributions, minimum wage increases, and higher duties on spirits. These external pressures have left the company in a precarious position. Recent trading figures paint a bleak picture. Revenues have fallen short of expectations, partly due to unseasonably warm weather keeping customers away from high street bars. In the first quarter, revenues dropped by 7.4% to £26.3 million, driven by a 10.5% decline in underlying sales across the bar's business. Even the usually reliable festive season is now under scrutiny, with Revel warning that while it expects significant sales and profits during this period, the traditionally quieter months of January and February could spell trouble. Here's the kicker: to stay within its banking limits, the company may need additional funding in the new year. As of 0845 BST, the stock had plummeted by 35% to just 0.18p, reflecting investor unease. In response, Revel has announced a strategic review, which includes exploring the sale of the company or parts of it, as well as other options to maximize stakeholder returns. However, the company has confirmed it's not currently in talks with any potential buyers, and there's no guarantee an offer will materialize. Controversial question: is Revel Collective's struggle a unique case, or does it signal broader challenges for the hospitality industry? Share your thoughts in the comments below. With economic pressures mounting, could this be the tipping point for other players in the sector? Only time will tell, but one thing is clear: Revel Collective's journey will be closely watched as it navigates these turbulent waters.